Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share with you a quick and easy DIY project. We're going to be taking a plastic container and turning it into a tissue holder. Okay, so for this project I am using one plastic container with a lid, and then I have a decorative paper bag here that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree. I'm also using Mod Podge and some white acrylic paint, and I also have some pink acrylic paint. You'll also need scissors and one paintbrush. Okay, so we're starting off with applying some acrylic paint to the plastic container. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my paintbrush and I'm applying my white acrylic paint to my container. Okay, so make sure to allow the paint to dry completely before applying another layer. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my blow dryer and I am drying my paint onto my container. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to press it down on the middle section of my lid. This will create a tiny hole. Once you have done that, you can take a craft knife and then insert that in the hole and just kind of go around that section, and you should be able to remove the center part of the lid. Okay, so after working with my craft knife, it did not go as easy as I thought it would. So I did end up taking my scissors and I used that to carve out some of the plastic that was remaining. And then I also used some of my floral cutters, and that helped to remove any of the plastic that was hanging over. If you have any tips on creating a hole in a plastic lid, I would love if you drop those tips down in the comments below. Yay, it actually worked. So what I'm doing here is I'm just placing my lid on my plastic container. You want the hole to be big enough for when you take your tissues and you put your tissues in, you want to be able to pull each of your tissues out of the hole. Okay, so now we're ready to cut the decorative paper. You can also use decorative napkin if you'd like. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting my decorative paper, and after cutting a large section, I will cut each of the decorative pieces that I will want for my container and my lid. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the cutouts to the container. So what you'll do here is just take your paintbrush and then you'll apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to your container. And then you'll take each of your cutout pieces and add them to the container over the Mod Podge. I also decided to add my cutouts to the lid as well. Okay, so I decided to end the project by applying some of my pink acrylic paint at the top section of my container. And then once you have done that, your tissue holder is complete. Thank you all so much for joining me and allowing me to take you through this quick tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this DIY project, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And also just thank you all for supporting my channel. I'll see you soon.